You're inspiring.
Very welcoming.
You're really patient with the other kids.
Thank you, teachers, for finding a way to reach every kind of student.
You always found a way to make us believe in ourselves and to enjoy learning.
You create opportunity, not just for a few, but for all. You do so much with so little.
It made me feel proud of myself for the first time accomplishing to read a book.
You take the time out of your day to talk to us and ask how we feel.
Everyone has challenges. Some are visible and some are not. You always find a way to make each student shine. You've created an environment to activate our potential, and you inspire us to find our own voice.
Being in your classroom feels like a second home to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're a great teacher, Miss Signs.
Inclusion is at the heart of everything we do. When passion for education translates into success for every student, learning knows no limits.
Thank you for everything.
I love school.
Cut.